All right, guys, welcome to the Thursday Directions quiz day today. As you can see here, this is for the 5th hour quiz. If you're in 5th hour and you're an online student, you'll see your quiz will go live at 12:15. If you are a 1st hour online student, your quiz will go live at 8 a.m. or somewhere around there. Sometimes Google Classroom kind of delays a couple minutes, so somewhere around 8. Both quizzes, today due at 3 o'clock. So just take it some point today for the online students. Obviously, the in-class persons will take it today in class. So after the quiz, you can use all notes on the quiz that you have in your notebook. Tomorrow, no assignment, just a work day to get stuff done. You guys are going to keep turning late work in. That's awesome. So I'm going to keep giving you guys that time. I'm sure the people who are done with everything appreciate kind of the day off, I guess. So continue to get those missing assignments in, guys, if you are falling under that category. But besides that, we're just taking the quiz today. And then we're hanging out after, and then tomorrow is a work day. All right. Talk to you guys later. Good luck today for all you online students on the quiz.